How to add Canva plugin on ChatGPT. Hey everyone, in today's tutorial, we're going to talk about how you can easily add Canva plugins to ChatGPT. So ChatGPT just rolled out with a new feature where you can add different plugins, including Canva's plugin, which will allow you to generate different layouts, different brochures, and templates based on your prompt. So what you can do is open up your web browser and search for chatgpt.com. Now, all you have to do here is simply go ahead and find the plugins option. Go ahead and click on your profile name down below. And then here you can find settings. Click on settings. And in order to add different plugins, you can go to connected apps. You can connect different apps from here. Go to personalizations, different options are here as well. So if you are on the free version for ChatGPT, you won't be able to add plugins. However, if you are on ChatGPT 4 or higher, you'll find a features tab right here on settings, where you can visit the plugin store, which looks something like this. Here you can just go ahead and search for the Canva plugin and then click on install. And you should be able to add the Canva plugin to ChatGPT. That is pretty much it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful. I'll see you guys in the next one.